vlog. So I just wanted to pop in here because I am the worst at filming intros and outros. Like seriously, I'm the worst. So this is our moving vlog. We're currently like moved in already. I'll catch you guys up in the next vlog. I'm not doing Vlogmas this year, but I think next year I definitely will. Even though I'm not doing Vlogmas, I definitely still want to upload a lot more, because before I was doing once a week. So now I'll just upload like as I'm like filming. Yeah, that'll be fun. My friend and I are gonna go to Temecula, so I'll definitely film that. I don't think I've ever been there, so I'm excited. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. I'm really excited to show you guys our new place. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one. A little dark right now, and I'm so out of breath because I just ran over here. This is a place, we don't have light right now. They didn't turn it on for some reason, so we're trying to get that figured out. But this is the kitchen. Then we have a little hallway. This is one of the rooms, very standard, which we don't know if we're gonna make this our main room or the other one, but we'll try to figure it out. Oh, it's not bad. Like in my camera, like I don't look yellow, so the lights finally turned on. Now I can show you guys the place. This is the bathroom. Nothing special, honestly. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like it. It's nice and bright.
It's bright in here. Does it dim?
Does it dim? It does.
It does.
Okay, so this is where our fridge is gonna go.
And we can have a little
Washing machine is what we were thinking of like putting right here, and then we'll just have the fridge next to it right here, and the doors will open up outward. So the rooms still don't have light because they don't have any lights on the top, which is fine because I love like moody lighting in rooms. Yeah, and I love the floors. They're giving gray, but they're a little bit more beige. We just got back a little ago, but I wanted to start cleaning and packing because, you know, I'm a procrastinator and I haven't packed literally anything. Well, except for those 2 boxes. So this is our junk drawer stuff, and I'm literally just gonna go through it and throw stuff away. So this stuff I have to donate, minus the blanket, but I have some things packed. So all my little plants, a bag there, or a box there, whatever. And this is jam-packed with stuff. Also, same thing. So I'm gonna go to the first little trip. Okay, so I just got in. These look like trash, but I actually put stuff in here. This is actually all of our Christmas stuff. I could honestly use this right now. I needed a towel, but look how cute. Again, more Christmas stuff. We tried fitting things where they fit. We were gonna just bring them over, so I'm like, well, why are we gonna waste a box? So we just put some things in there. I'm gonna fill these little, this little thing up to be like the pantry. And then I was able to bring my little plants over, so they survived, which I was a little bit scared. Look at the little welcome mat. Now you could see everything in the daylight. So I think we're gonna make this room our room because it is slightly bigger than the other one by like 2 feet. We're thinking we're just gonna put the bed on this wall, coming out this way. And then we're just gonna put like the little dresser with the TV on it, like right here. This one is going to be the office. We measured this room and that was our deciding factor. And this room is about, I think it's like 2 feet shorter. We're obviously trying to maximize our space. So, gosh, she's so cute. Look at my little plants are getting light. I think knowing that the light is hitting right here, I'm gonna keep them here. I'm literally sweating so bad. But I want to show you guys the progress that I made all by myself. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot. We have 3 boxes, another box there. I put my clothes and I did that little like trick where you put the little bag over the clothes, and that comes in handy. And then our little toaster oven, more things up here. So trust me, I was trying to make more things fit. Okay, so this is how we're looking now. I still have to take that down, taking this down, but the fridge is gone. The couch obviously is gone. All the stuff here is gone. Okay, so this is the little situation with the fridge, chairs, and my little dresser. So I just wanted to pop in. So it is the next day. It is like 1 o'clock, I think, already. I wanted to show you guys the progress we've made. I know it probably doesn't look that different, honestly, but everything is like pretty much empty. Just a little more things. We have one more night here, so, but yeah, everything's like pretty much gone, and it makes me so sad because when I first moved in here, I was like obsessed. Decorated everything like how I wanted it. and I just made it like my own. It's really sad leaving because it's like the end of a little chapter. But I'm so happy of all the memories that, you know, I have here with my friends, with Jeff, but it does make me sad. I hate change, but I know it's good sometimes. I know that good things are coming. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this here before I start getting emotional because I am so emotional. Just came back from Target. I'm about to hang my little shower curtain. So I just bought this like basic black rod. I bought these little glide shower hooks. So I'll see how these work. I'm excited to hang it to see how it looks. It's lefty loosey, righty-tighty. I think I figured it out. I was really about to just give up on life. Don't mind me. Just trying to figure this out on my own without my mans. And then it said to oh my god. If it falls, oh well. So that was like a major struggle. I don't even want to talk about it, but it looks a little weird on camera, but it's like a cream, very light cream, and then it has like kind of white streaks. It's cute though. I don't know how good this rod is going to be secured because that thing came for my life. I could not figure it out, so I might have to have Jeff kind of like tighten it up more, but for the most part I like how it looks. It looks cute. So I bought this little doormat and I think it's so cute. I have to take the tag off, but now when we walk in it's super cute and I'm obsessed. Okay, next on my list, I'm gonna build this little lamp because I'm dying to see how it looks. So it's just a whole bunch of pieces right now. Okay, so this is the progress I have made. I put the little table on and then obviously the base and everything. And then this is the top. So I just need to put on the little lampshade and then the light bulb and it should be all done. Okay guys, so I just finished. Look how cute it is. Don't mind the little, I have a couch cover and it's so annoying to get on. The front never comes down all the way, but we're getting a new couch, so that's not gonna matter soon. I'm gonna plug it in and put it in its little spot, which probably is gonna be in this little corner. This one is probably gonna go in our room, but I'm so excited for this one. I went to Pottery Barn because I just wanted to see what they had. I was actually looking for the cups that match like this, and I might have to get them online because they don't have them here. But look how cute everything is. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done. Cleared out. Everything is gone. And this, I swear this is like the only spot we ever have anything, but other than that, it's done. We're gonna take this right now with us, but yeah, it's so sad.